Hi everyone, today we are gonna discuss about how to install MySQL Yog. Okay, now you're going to Chrome browser and search the keyword SQL Yog download for Windows 10. Okay, now you click the first link. Okay, the page is loaded. Then after that, you click the free download. Okay, then click the start download. The idea manager. The file will be downloaded, and click the open. It asks to want to install the MySQL Yog. Click yes. Okay, then click OK button. It's a SQL Yog community. Okay, then read the agreement and accept the agreement, then click next. MySQL Yog is installed in C drive. Okay, and click install. The MySQL Yog is installed. Okay, the icon is appear on the desktop. Then click next button. After that, complete the installation. Okay, it is the MySQL Yog community 64 screen. Okay, now you make a connection with the MySQL Yog. Okay, click the new. Enter the name of the connection. Example local. LOCALHOST. Okay, localhost. Then click OK. If you want to create any password, example password also like that username root. Okay, the localhost default port number is 3306. Okay, then you want to test the connection. Cannot connect MySQL server on localhost. Okay, then give the connect. என்ன ஒண்ணுமே தெரிய மாட்டேங்குதுப்பா இதுல என்ன